Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the colorful world of blood parrot cichlids and how to take care of these unique fish. First off, let's talk about what blood parrot cichlids are. They're a hybrid species known for their bright colors and friendly personalities. They can grow up to 8 inches long and are perfect for community tanks. When setting up a tank for your blood parrot, aim for at least a 30-gallon tank. They love swimming space. Make sure to include plenty of hiding spots with rocks and plants, but leave open swimming areas too. A good filtration system is essential since they can be messy eaters. Keep the water temperature between 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And maintain a pH level of 6.5 to 7.5. Regular water changes are crucial to keep their environment healthy. Feeding your blood parrot cichlid a balanced diet is key. They thrive on high-quality pellets, flakes, and occasional treats like frozen or live foods. Just be careful not to overfeed. While blood parrots are generally peaceful, avoid pairing them with overly aggressive species. Good tank mates include large tetras, catfish, and other non-aggressive cichlids. Now, let's talk about telling the gender and breeding. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to tell the gender of blood parrots visually. They are also a hybrid, and most of them are infertile, so breeding them is very rare. If you are lucky enough to have a pair that can breed, they might lay eggs on a flat surface. However, the fry usually don't survive because the males are infertile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fish care tips. Happy fish keeping!